Yippee! Woo!
Ever want to dress up as your favorite Mario Kart character and drive around one of the busiest cities in the entire world? Well, you can.
Head to this shop right here in the Akihabara district in Tokyo. It costs you about 60 US dollars to go and ride for an hour and a half. It is way too much fun.
Rachel, where is she?
Be forewarned though, you have to get a international driver's license from AAA from the States for 20 bucks. Super easy. Head there, grab it. Let's go! So please enjoy as I pretend to be my favorite character, Yoshi, and throw eggs at random Japanese people.